The printer's so small and travel-friendly. Look at this sticker character. Oh my god, so cute! Put the label into the machine. Click the button until the light on. Go to Niimbot application, then connect with Bluetooth. You can edit your name here. There are several aesthetic fonts that you can use. Click Print and Done. It's really simple. You can use it anywhere. You can also use this printer for your book labels. I highly recommend this printer for you to buy. Let's go grab your fast honey.